Right. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry about that. It crashed again. I'm gonna change this round actually. Yeah, I don't know why it keeps crashing. I have zero idea why it keeps crashing, but what I've done is I've now hidden the preview of OBS. So I'm hoping that could be one of the reasons it keeps crashing. You never know. But yeah, working on a hunch. Sometimes it works perfectly, sometimes it crashes. We've had streams before where it can go 8 hours. We've had streams where it just dies after 6 minutes apparently. So, annoyingly. It is annoying, but it only takes a few minutes to get back in. Obviously it's not fantastic for viewership, but it is what it is, I guess. Right. So now this one will only progress if that quest is in progress, and this dialogue will only progress if it's succeeded. And then if it's succeeded, then I can begin the quest here. Events, begin quest, the McDaddy one. McDaddy Slim, there we go. Right, let's start with that quest. McDaddy Slim. Right, what we got? Go to location McDaddy. Okay. Oh, there was something we needed to do actually, I remember now. I keep forgetting to see it. It's somewhere in here, isn't it? Wasn't it? Maybe it wasn't. Maybe it was McDaddy Slim. Go to McDaddy. Find a way to talk to Find McDaddy and talk to him. Find McDaddy Slim and talk to him. Okay, find McDaddy Slim and talk to him. Perfect. That appears in the quest journal, which we don't use, so it's fine just to leave it as a placeholder. Right, so we need to find McDaddy Slim. So you go to location. It's not going to be McDaddy though. I don't want the location to be McDaddy, because you're not going to be able to get to him. Let's add... How do I add an optional objective? I think I'd go multiple tasks. I think. How do I do that again? I swear it was something in here. Like multiple, you tick multiple or something. I have completely forgot how to do that. Save that. Didn't we do it in here? Yeah, look. And how do you turn it from a single one to a double one? What am I missing? I can't believe I'm missing it. There's a button somewhere where you turn it to multiple tasks instead of a single task. No, it's not the property matrix. Because I've done it there, look. What happens if I paste that one in? We already don't like that, okay. So you can't paste tasks between things. Hello, bro. Hello, DJ. How you doing today, buddy? Close that saving. How do you add multiple tasks to it? I swear there was a button you just clicked. I open that back up. I'm missing something. So many crashes. Why? This crash was because I was testing something. The first crash, I don't know why. That's something I'm still investigating with my computer, unfortunately. It just really likes crashing at the moment, and I don't know why. Where is it? How do you add multiple quests? What am I missing? Because there's a way to turn tasks into an array. Hi Chili, how you doing today? Because I need multiple tasks here to because I want to add optional objectives. Actually, maybe it's a persistent task I want. You know, to order a drink, one-off task. Describe what the player has to do. I don't know how to use the one-off tasks, so this will be an experiment, I guess. Order. Actually, I don't. It'll be a dialogue thing. Play dialogue, because that'll be from the bartender. Node ID. Drink ordered. Go and order a drink. And it is optional. There we go. Yeah, so an optional objective to order a drink if that works. The persistent tasks isn't documented anywhere, unfortunately, at the moment. There is plans to document it for the creator, from what I've heard. Right. Right, so you have a dialogue. So what we need to do is make her dialogue all revolve to an ending one. So if I go dialogue link, you go away. So make them all hit this, and then all we do, get rid of the stripper one, is drink ordered, and name that drink ordered. There we go. So whenever you order a drink, it should go to that one, which will complete that task, hopefully. You ordered a drink. Find McDaddy Summon, talk to him. So that's go to location. So what if I put a location about here to say you've found him, and then we update the quest to say talk to the bodyguard? Yeah, that sounds good. Quests, missing wife, nope. Blueprints, go to location. I can't change the size of it. Actually, yeah, if I just do that, like that, there you go. So if you get anywhere near him, it'll say quest completed because you found him, basically, because you can't get over there without going there. So go to location, find McDaddy Slim, and what I'll do is I'll make this only spawnable from the cutscene, because then it's not there all the time. So the quest is McDaddy Slim, the location name is McDaddy Slim Found, which we can update there. And the starting of the quest is quest start. That's when it's available from, because we found that last time. So as a test, yeah, I think that's the first test we can do.
Wow.
So we run over here, speak to her.
Ma'am, are you?
Oh my! What?
Please call.
And he's running away to figure out where she's gone.
Wait, you belong to Daddy Slim, the pimp?
Of course, she does. He's the only pimp in this. Come on, we'll give you a lift to work and we'll talk to...
New quest, find McDaddy Slim and talk to him. Wait, no, that's not the quest. Maybe I didn't remove that. Where is the dialogue for stripper? Play stripper drive to work. Somewhere we spawn the task, or we begin the quest, but where? Because it shouldn't be starting yet. It shouldn't be starting till there. Walk none. Why are you walk none? Oh, this Agent 2. Okay. Well, there's a bug there if you go down that dialogue route. Agent 2. Agent 2. Agent 2. Agent 2. Because you can go down this dialogue route two different ways. Okay, none of these tell the quest to start. The only way it starts is via the sequence. That's really odd. Let's try again. Maybe it was a bug. Maybe I didn't save or something.
Wow. So ma'am, are you all right?
Oh my!
Oh, I can't press I to see.
Please. Good. Yes, we just want to know.
So speak to Sparkles, which I'm doing.
Of course, she does. Come on.
My new quest. Find McDaddy Slim and talk to him. Go and order a drink optional. That shouldn't be available
Ma'am,
till this point. That's when it should enable it. Okay, that's odd that it's... Right, she's walking better now. Obviously she's not got a proper controller on, so she'll ghost walk. But at least she's walking. Now if we go here, it's not going to complete the task. There's definitely something wrong there. Because it seems to be starting the quest up here. Start sequence. Oh. Yeah, no, that's fine. Strip drive to work, that's fine. Because the only time it's... Where do I complete the sequence? Maybe because I'm completing it and still in dialogue, it's auto doing that and messing up, maybe. No, this is confusing. So you're starting, at least that's showing where it should be, that's fine. The bartender is fine, we don't need you. The stripper, where's the quest for the stripper? Not much of a quest, is it? Ah, there we go. That's why it's doing it. As soon as her quest finishes, it starts the next one. We don't want that. There we go. Problem fixed. What is this? Go and find out who screamed. Where does that... That's go to location when we walk up to. That's fine. Find out what happened to the lady. Speak to Sparkles. Find out why she screamed. Let's just see if that makes it look a bit better anyway. So that should at least start that now. That should run and start the second quest. I don't think I've generated the audio yet. Let's go and have a look. Because I use an app called XVA Synth to generate the audio for the game. Let's have a look what's in Men in Blue. If it's still there. Thanks for that. Yeah, we've not generated the audio yet. That's fine. Okay, so we come in. Thanks for the lift. If the quest has succeeded the previous one, which succeeds at the end of this, begin the quest there. She walks off, which is fine. Then we talk amongst ourselves for a bit. And then once there, this quest has started, which we need to find McDaddy Slim. Then we complete that quest. And then from here, we can play a dialogue node of speak to bodyguard. Oh, are we back? Are we back? I think we've done it. I think I've rescued it. Different crash though. This time I lost internet. It's like not ideal to stream for me, apparently. The music playing? I think we are back. My VPN was set to Romania. I randomly change it every day. And it was set to Romania. And I clicked on just when the internet went going, haha. Oh yeah. There we go. Now you can see. Are we back? Yes. Ha. Halabajula. Right. Yeah, my VPN was set to Romania. So, you know, streaming from my UK to Romania and then to YouTube wasn't working well. Okay, so speak to the Missy bodyguard. Task description. Speak to McDaddy's bodyguard. A bodyguard is blocking access to McDaddy. Speak to her. There we go. Right, now let's go to the bodyguard dialogue. Missy Forezzi. There we go. So as soon as that one's done, that quest will complete, and you can just keep going back to her and she'll keep butting you away, go away, go away, go away, kind of thing.
Wow.
Right, let's see if we can get where we are now.
Man, I'll see you. Please, good.
Find out why she screams, speak to Sparkles. I need them two flipped around.
Yes.
I'll remember that. Speak to Sparkles is complete. Find out why she screamed. Yep. And now she will walk away, and this should be complete. My new quest. Find McDaddy and speak to him. Order a drink. Okay. Right, so when we hit this, damn.
Hey, private party, get out of here. This is
Okay. So a few bits to fix. The first one was the stripper. Find out why she screams. Speak to Sparkles. Need to be reversed. Like that, because I want it to say speak to Sparkles as the main objective, and then the description of it is find out why she screamed. So that bit's resolved. The quest McDaddy Slim, where did describe what the player has to do here come into it? There. Go and order a drink. It's just as simple as that. Go and order a drink. You ordered a drink. Actually, if I do that as well. Why can I not figure out how to add multiple tasks? There was just a button you used to click to say add multiple. Because I kind of want to add more here, because I want to add a hidden one of ordering chicken wings. Let's check the narrative video file. Let's have a look. Here's the guide to the tutorial. Multi. Adding multiple quest tasks in any order. 926. Let's check the all masterful guide.
Hey guys, welcome to this full narrative guide. So this is going to be a super in-depth guide.
Yeah.
Find a
Yep.
If we press, it actually succeeds the quest. And if we press 1 and find the sword, it actually succeeds the quest. So that's a quest with a way to succeed the quest and a way to actually fail the quest. What if we wanted the player to have to find the sword and the bow? There are a couple of ways to go about this. So let's go ahead and delete this, and we'll go to where it says Find Item Sword, and click the Add Multiple Tasks button, and then just go to Find Item Sword here, click this little arrow and duplicate this, but then just change this to say bow, and then we'll change the description to Find a Bow.
I don't have that button. Why don't I have that button? That's a problem. Oh no. That's a bug. Can I like tick it in here? No. I found a bug in narrative. Is this game like GTA? Not much, no, because you won't be able to get in cars and you won't have open world. You'll just have like linear open worlds that block you into specific areas. Where's my multiple quest gone? Show sections. Show all advanced details. Expand all categories. Show hidden properties. Just tick everything on. Not that one. Okay, well that's a problem. Let's try copying from the other one now that I've saved, and it might break, it might not, we'll see. Which was the other quest I did? It was the cased one. Look, that one, I can't convert that back to a single now either. Unless this is one of the updates they put out, but that'd be a bit weird. If I paste... Oh, it worked, but as a single. Interesting. Copy you. Paste. It just keeps putting drink ordered. I've not even copied drink ordered, have I? No, it just keeps overwriting it. I'll have to report that bug. Let's open Discord. I'll report it now. Why is that broke? I'll do it later actually, because when I compiled it for Linux, I did remove some stuff, and I wonder if one of them was remove the 5.1 button. When I compiled it for 5.1, I wonder if I removed the button. Oh, that's problematic. Okay, well, it doesn't matter so much for now. Let's see if I can just do it this way. Play dialog mode. This will be a hidden objective. I think. Chicken wings ordered. Order some chicken wings. You like chicken wings? Go order some. Let's see what happens. 5.E less UE crash. 5.0 did crash less, but it did come with its own problems. The main problem I had with it is you couldn't go to any other view like that. It just kept crashing for me. And apparently, if you used the Vulkan drivers, everybody, Windows, Mac, Linux, all crashed. So that was, after dealing with it for so long, was, you know, it's really difficult to try and do something when you're having to angle yourself this way all the time. So that's why I moved away from it so quickly. But now we've got more problems in this version. So I don't know, it's swings and roundabouts really, unfortunately. I'm hoping that in 5.1.1 or something they'll fix it. But maybe. I don't know. There's a saying at my job is something along the lines of live close to the edge but not bleeding edge, which means don't use the latest technology. You ordered chicken wings, but the problem is with that, then I have to deal with the previous version's bugs. So yeah, I don't know what to do with that one. Chicken wings ordered. Let's go to the bartender. Dialogue. Bartender. Do you have any food? Just chicken wings. It's a strip club, not a cafe. Some wings, please. I wanted to change that for ages, and that says I'm good. Thanks. There we go. Right, so on here we'll change the ID to be chicken wings ordered. So now you can order a drink and you can order chicken wings. But the go to location's still failing. Have I not set it up correctly? Because we had this issue last time. So it's set to quest start and the location name is Mix Daddy Slim Found. Yeah, that. What are we doing wrong this time? Because this go to location always bites me in the back. Let's breakpoint there. No, we'll do it at the right time. We'll breakpoint later.
Wow.
So this should now look a lot nicer when she streams.
Ma'am, are you all right?
Find out why she screamed. Yeah, that's better.
What do you
Please come.
say is
Good. Yeah, we just wanted.
nah, it-
Wait, you bill on them, Daddy Slim. The pimp.
Of course, she does. He's the only. Come on, we'll give you a lift to.
Find out why she screamed. That is that quest now complete. Quest succeeded scream, yep. Then we come back to here. Go and order a drink. Why is it missing a gap in the middle? Right, we'll breakpoint on the location now. She's not walking. No, there is a glitch with her animation at the moment. She is moving, but she don't walk. Right, let's hit this go to the location. And nothing happens. Let's breakpoint there. There we go. Activate state ID, quest start. Oh no, get off. And the current quest state is quest state 4. What? McDaddy Slim. Quest state 4 is the current state. What on earth's quest state 4? Let's go and order some food. One drink, please.
One drink.
I need
What do you have?
typical things like pulse of a twister, grown rage, evil lagoon or imaginary sin. You know, the normal stuff. So what you...
Let's order Evil Lagoon.
Let's go with the evil lagoon.
The evil one? Ooh, someone likes it rough. And
Okay, we didn't also go and order a drink. It says that one's complete though. I wonder why. So the drinking didn't work. Great. What about the chicken wings?
Do you have any?
chicken wings. Extra club, not a coffee.
Can I have some wings, please?
Enjoy your...
And the wings didn't complete either. Okay, so basically nothing worked. What's quest state 6 that it's complaining about? I think it's there. Maybe there's a problem if you've got persistent tasks and mine is looking for the current state. Get quest has state. Get reach states. Okay. So what if instead I'm checking the current state, I check if the state I've put in has been finished. I kind of wish there was a has state complete. You would have thought there would have been a has state complete. It would have made more sense. So get the current quest. Get a list of all its states that have been reached. Then loop body over. Let's add custom event. State found. And then instead of this one, we'll add a for loop with a break, because then we can break off on it. I think. Activate state ID equals. So stick that there. Instead of the current state, we'll get state. Nope. ID. Get ID. Maybe. I paste you there. So what I'm thinking is, instead of saying you must be at this state in order to do it, I say you must have at least completed this state to do it. State found. So you come in, you get the quest, and all its. You get the quest, you reach all the states that it's found, or that it's already been completed, and you loop through them. If your state equals any of them, what's already in the past, then you go to state found, which completes the narrative task, destroys the actor, and calls the break. which means that for loop should just stop. So if you've got like a million states, it won't keep going through a million states, it'll stop. Hopefully. The destroy might do it equally, I don't know, but at least that way, as long as my state has been hit at some point, I can complete that quest, that location, I think. Then the other one is, why isn't this play dialogue node working? Node ID is drink ordered. And then the bartender, club bartender, all revolves and hit start. Which, as far as I'm concerned, should do it. But what we'll do instead is, just as a test, we'll stick it there instead. Maybe it only calls it if it's got text inside of it, which seems to be a common functionality problem with it.
Wow.
Let's have a look.
Ma'am, I'll see you. Please, good. Yeah, we
Go, come.
Ma'am, are you alright?
Wait, I'll go.
I'll stay. You alright?
What do you think?
Wait, what? What happened there? It didn't complete the screen
Wow.
quest.
So that guy was a dick.
Yep.
Let's try that again. Definitely a bug if you skip through it super quickly then.
Ma'am,
Wait, I'll go.
I'll stay. You all. Please calm. Good.
Depends.
Yes, but you have.
I don't talk to no.
We just want to know about the.
Nah, it's too.
Wait, you bill on them, Daddy Slim, the pimp.
Of course, she does. Come on, we'll give you a lift to work and we'll talk to him.
Why is it not completing it?
Ma'am, are you alright?
Where did it go?
From that way, I think you're right.
Did I change something? I don't remember changing anything. That should check if the quest has succeeded, which, yeah, fair play. Where do I complete it from again? Because I thought it was there. It was a dialogue node, stripper scream final. Why am I getting so many bugs with the dialogue system? This is not good. Stripper scream final, that should call it. Unless, if I untook this and this works, there's just more problems with that one, and
Wow.
I'm gonna have to find a way to contact the dev because the
Ma'am, are you?
Oh, my
Where
from.
I'll see you.
What
Please.
say is
Good.
depend-
Yes, but
I don't.
we just.
Nah.
Wait, you bill
Of
on.
course, she does. Come on, we'll give.
no, it's not completed the quest look.
Ma'am, are you?
Oh, from.
I'll see you.
What do you
Please come.
say?
Good. Yeah.
I don't talk.
Oh, damn it. Maybe it's saved.
Wow.
Go and find out who screamed. Yeah, that's fine. So all of a sudden it's not calling stripper scream final anymore. Why? So the stripper's now spontaneously stopped working. But it was working fine a minute ago. I'm not getting any errors, or am I? I'm just looking at the console next to it and not getting any errors there. Because it'd be nice to have them connected, so what I'll do is I'll just connect them to that, just in case it's because they've not got any tasks. Like that. Right, do that. So the quest for the stripper screen goes there, the stripper can go there. Yeah, okay. So stripper scream final. Speak to Sparkles, find out why she screamed. And if the node ID is stripper scream final, then it should complete that quest. Okay, if it doesn't work, I'm gonna reboot and see what happened. Well, reboot the editor. Could not get the latest action resume point intro. That's fine because intro we don't need.
Ma'am, are you all right?
Oh, my head.
Where
I'll see you.
What?
Please, good. Yes, but
I don't
we just wait. You bill on
Of course, she does. He's the only pimp in this town. Come on, we'll give you a
She'll
lift to
complete the
work and
quest
we'll
now.
talk to him.
Starting new camera. Nothing there.
Ma'am, are you all right?
Oh, my head.
It's just not completing it anymore. So their error is because I've just killed it halfway through, which is fine. Okay, let's have a test line testing. See if that resolves the event, maybe. Because it starts to sequence fine. Okay, we'll try this test event. If this don't work,
Wow.
I don't know. We'll reboot the editor, and if it still doesn't work, then I'll delete my save and try again. Because there's definitely something going off with it.
Where did a ghost?
I'll see you.
What?
Please, good. Yeah,
I don't
we just wait. You
Of
bill.
course, she does. Come on, we'll give you a lift to work and we'll talk to him.
Testing. Okay. It's still not completed it.
Right.
Where
I'll see you. Please, good. Yeah, we just wait.
go, come.
Ma'am, are you all
Oh,
right?
I'm in an infinite
Where
loop.
did it go?
That way, I think.
I'll see you all right.
What do you think?
Ha, got out of it. Right. It's just definitely not working, is it? Right, we'll start rebooting the editor. That can be the first point of call because it's being weird. Really weird. Like, really, really weird. It doesn't. I don't. That's so weird that it's been. Because Stripper Quest was finishing completely fine without a problem, and the beginner quest one, we were testing the new functionality of the other ones. Open all of them. I thought it crashed then. Stick you over there so I can see if you are a problem. Right, let's go back to the basic map. It's messed all the tab ordering open. Right, Stripper Scream should be one of the first ones. The bartender should be after that. The stripper should be there. There we go. Right, I don't think we need that testing because this was working completely fine before.
What?
Right, please complete, because I don't have to delete the save and do it the entire game again. But
Of course, she does. Come on, we'll give.
it's like the quest don't exist. Why? stripper scream final. And then the quest. Sprinkle Swallow. Yes, that is my stripper name. I think it's Sparkle. Sparkle Swallows. Because we used a generator online and that's what it came up with. Sparkle Swallows. That's her stripper name. No, I'm pretty sure it is that one you put it in. Am I being silly? I've not changed it. Let's go and have a look at one of the other ones. The hobo. What do you do? Oh no, actually dialogue. I need your quest. Throne trash. Quest branch 25A. And then in his dialogue, 25A, yeah, that's right. There are some gremlins here today. Right, wow. If it doesn't work now, I'll go and delete my saves and we'll try the entire thing again. Because it's odd that that's not showing anything there. Go and find out who Scream. And there's nothing there. I swear there was something there before.
Ma'am, I'll see you. Please, good. Yeah, wait you.
Of course, she come on. We'll...
And nothing. Okay, let's kill the save game and we'll try again. It does mean we're gonna have to do the entire game, but that's fine. It don't take long. Maybe it's crashed because I changed something, but it's already saved it. Maybe. Right, I'll delete narrative save game. And there's 2 places you have to delete it from, annoyingly. There we go. Right, let's see what happens now.
What number are we looking for?
Number
So this is the
32.
intro cutscene which is broke. I'm aware of this. I do need to fix
Look,
it.
This guy damn fine car parks like a donkey.
Because you're normally in the car at that point. There we go. Right, let's find a clue. Why did you not complete? I'm being stupid. Ah, we did change it. We changed the go to location, didn't we? Oh no. I've just deleted the save game and everything. I clicked on as soon as the car didn't work. The go to location. We changed this, look. That's why it's not working.
What number are we looking
Damn
for?
it. Right. So we hit that. You hit that, it goes into here. The reach states is... What do you mean not in scope? I'm on a for loop. It needs to be in scope. So I've only reached one state at the moment, which is quest state 0. And my current state is quest start. Well, this is a good song. How do I like a song on Spotify? There we go. I've liked the song. Right. So I need to start this one with quest start on Badley Park, on the quest of Badley Park car. Okay. Badley Park car. That one. And the Badley Park car is looking for quest branch 5, so let's put that there. Maybe this for loop's going to be more like what I hoped it would be now. I don't get how it can't be in scope there. Oh, I've got hiccups. Quest state 0. Oh no, it's not even quest branch 0, it's quest state 0. So, what's got a quest of state 0? Literally nothing. What? Array of the quest state object references stuff like that. So get the current quest. And I can only get its current state and its reach state. I can't get any of the objectives or anything. Because the current, oh sorry, I hit the mic. Current state won't work because when a state quest has persistent tasks, so this isn't gonna work, basically, because it's pulling in states that just don't exist. So we'll set this back to default. I don't know what that reach states are. Get current state, add a branch. Oh no, I've already got a branch. Current state, plug you into there. Get ID, compare you to, move you into there, grab all of you. Okay, so that's reset that back to what it was. But that's not going to work for persistent tasks. And I can't assign multiples either, because that's dead. What happens if I take that multiple one, which is not here? Can I copy and paste into itself? I'm just trying to figure out, have they outright removed it from the plugin? No, they haven't removed it then. If I copy and paste, it is all there. So if I like search for talk to, nope. Okay. Play diagonal, talk to husband. Why is it strength? Pin category single node. Let's investigate the blueprint code. How do I wrap? View, nope. Tools, nope. Preferences, wrap. Wait, that says it is wrap. Oh, it's because it's all one massive line, isn't it? How big is it? Let's have a look. Okay, that's not what I expected it to be. Because like, if I delete that and just copy this one, if I copy that and copy the code, so it is somehow managing to piece it together from that. So the node position, that's fine. The GUID of the node. the name of it, but it's got... I'm trying to find how it's got so many... Unless it's these subcategory objects, because if I go to this one and paste it, it crashes.
Using my Barclay card forward credit card to pay for the stuff.
We're not having a fun time today. So we can't spawn multiple quests, which is a problem. Maybe I'll leave the side objectives for now. And we'll just have to come back to them when the multiples are fixed. So I can't spawn multiple objectives. We've fixed the blueprint now, but we can't get the current states. So, is this game going to be on Steam? I generally don't know. At this stage, I'm just trying to make a game. I've not thought about anything, whether it's going to be free, priced, or anything. I'm just trying to finish a decent-sized game at the moment. Because that's what most developers struggle with, is finishing at least one game. So, I want to see the narrative code to see if I can figure out what's going off myself. Where are you? Because a lot of it isn't in C++. Narrative UI, quest editor. They're just the icons, that's not going to be useful. Or is it? I don't know. Okay, so it does look like most of it is probably in C++ then. What is it? I'm on a quest editor. Yeah, it's all in C++, look. If I double click it, what's it going to open in? Nothing. Okay. Trying to stay warm at the same time. It's like, what temperature is it in the UK? It's like -3 at the moment. Right, so what if I only spawn locations as I need them? That might work. Because... I'm thinking the dialogue's not working because the persistent tasks don't work as what I'm assuming they do. Which, let's face it, there's no documentation, nobody knows what they do. So, I should be able to complete all of these now to get me back to where I was. So if I change you back to quest start, I should be able to complete this first batch now. No, I can't complete this first batch. Why? What have I done? What have I done? If it equals the current state, so let's just breakpoint on and get the current state and make sure I've set it right.
What number are we?
The current state is quest state 0. What? Okay, let's try. Oh. get the ID there. We'll print the ID out. Let's have a look what it is. Because it's printing Quest State 0 and Quest State 0 is not a thing. Quest Start. That's saying Quest Start. User blueprint messages. So that's saying Quest Start, which is exactly what I've set mine to. Wait. If I get the state again, and this time I for each loop it, and from the state, can I get the ID? I can. And if the ID, maybe this would have worked. So print out all the IDs. Let's have a look at you. Breakpoint there so I can see everything. Let's just try to analyze this. Figure out logically what it's doing, because we're getting a lot of bugs here. And I'm beginning to think this is me, not the system. So we've got a Quest State of 0, which isn't a thing. But the ID is Quest Start. So what is that? Quest State 0. Okay, so Quest State 0, let's ignore that. So the ID is Quest Start, which is fine. The idea of it is the same as my... Okay. I'm beginning to think this for each loop ID wasn't so stupid after all. It's really early. Why am I making so many mistakes? I'm not looking forward to today at work, because I'm making these many mistakes now. I've got a deadline for end of week to add the new client to the system, and I'm making these many mistakes. Right. Breathe. I'm panicking. I don't know why. So we take it steady and think. I'm making mistakes. Silly mistakes. I'm not looking. I'm jumping to conclusions. It's not good. I'm all over the place. So we'll break it down. The first step is to fix this go to location, so it checks all the states that have been finished. Right. I'll not do the for each loop with a break at the moment. All I'm going to do is get rid of the current state and check the branch. This is the first step. Like so. Why is that not linked up to narrative? Well, that'd be why that one's not been completed. So maybe I have been right all along. Yeah, see, look, take it back. Mistake found. It wasn't linked to narrative, so it was not being able to tell narrative that it completed it. Yeah, that one's true, look. It'll finish now. Yeah, see? Quest succeeded, badly parked car. See, I was making mistakes, and the silly mistakes, because I wasn't thinking. I don't know, I wasn't stressing. It was just, I think I'm doing too much at once on the game. You know, I'm trying to concentrate on so many different bugs. Ooh. Right, so that one will now complete if the state ID doesn't look the neatest, but it'll be right. Looks a bit neater now, doesn't it? Right. If I've reached the state, it'll complete it. So now we can go and test all the others. This it auto-saves because it's been tested. Ooh. Why are you there? That skip to cutscene shouldn't be there. This has already gone, that's fine. Let's talk to the hobo.
Did you?
And that completes the quest with the dialogue, so we know that works. He's just still broken, which is fine. Sparkle Swallow shouldn't be there, which is not, and I can't get out there, which is fine. Let's go into this house. I still don't like the arrow. I just don't know what else to do there.
That's nice plan.
No. My wife recently.
This is not completing off the objectives, look.
What?
Oh, actually,
I think.
Yeah, we're done, sir. Do not have yourself a.
nobody screamed yet.
Wow. So that guy was.
Yeah, suddenly.
Okay, I need to move where that starts from.
Ma'am, are you all?
Find out why she screamed. That looks better.
Are you? We just. Wait, you belong.
Oh, come on, we'll give.
There we go. Okay, okay.
Ma'am.
Describe what the player needs to do to complete this task. So it's glitched out a bit there, and it's not got a quest name. So we'll solve that in a minute. It's not completed that task. Okay. Okay, we're doing better. We are doing better. Oh, have a yawn. Right, we've got 45 minutes till I have to go to work. Let's do a stand-up session. Standing up is good for you. Oh, stretch out and everything. Right. So I'm aware there was a bug at the start where the input wasn't hiding. Why? Let's see. So we load the game, we get the player, we start the cutscene. Wait, what? Oh, right, okay. We start the cutscene, we create a sequence player, we play it, we set it to cutscene mode, we show the input, and then we bind to skip cutscene skip. Okay. We almost need it on cutscene finished. Which we don't have, because if we skip cutscene, that hides the input. So, let's go Googling on cutscene finish. We need to hide the input, because that'll be a bug all the way around. Unreal on sequence finish. How do you know when it's finished playing? Is there a finished event? No. There isn't a finished event. Looks to be an oversight. I've added a Jira tool. We'll try and get it in the next release. That's from 2016. Get the sequence length and check after that time. Add a custom event to the end of it. Event is triggered when it stops. So there is an on finish apparently. So get rid of the skips cutscene. On stop. Nope. Stop. That's not looking promising. That's just going to stop it. I don't want to stop it. That returns what? Stop. Bind event on stop. Here we go. So if I put that in there and then link you to there. So what's that? That returns us a level sequence player, and that returns us a level sequence actor. Okay, so on stop, what do we want to do on stop? What do we want to do on stop?
Using my Barclay card forward credit card to pay for the stuff I need now.
So on stop, we need to bind an event to it, which we can't do in here because Unreal is weird. So we'll go to the event graph, bind to skip cutscene, and then here add custom event, bind to cutscene stop, and then we'll pass in the level sequence actor, I think. Movie scene, that's not right. Level sequence. What was it? It was a level sequence player, wasn't it? So it was that one. So level sequence player. We'll bind on the stop event. And we will just go add custom event. Can we just do hide UI actually? Hide input prompt. And then what I'll do is I'll remove it from skip cutscene. I know, because the set controls unable to work as well. So we'll just set the play rate there. Something's errored. What's errored? That. Okay, I can't just do that, so we'll add a custom event, and we'll just call this cutscene stopped. We'll play the music again, and we'll say here, set the controls enabled, and then we'll also go hide input prompt, like so. Then we'll move this, whatever that is, update the current dialog MCs. Oh yeah, that's the new thing I've done. So, where are we getting errors? There. Oh yeah. Get rid of you, and we can just go bind stop. Stop. Okay, let's just do that. Stop. Nope. Stop. Bind to cutscene stop. And the player will be that. Oh, I was dragging the wrong one out. There. So now, anytime I start a cutscene, from my player's perspective, it will play the cutscene. It will bind to the stop of it. That can just be yeah. It'll bind to the cutscene stop, which will say when it stops, give the player back control, and then hide the input prompt. I'm iffy on that one, because that one's fine, because it'll hide the press space to do such and such, but that one is going to allow them to do it. So if you've got cutscene after cutscene like I've got, it could cause issues, but we'll see. We will see. And this one, if you skip a cutscene, oh dear, then I need to unbind as well. There we go. Unbind event from onstop. There we go. So just keep ourselves clean. After we run it, we'll unbind ourselves. Right. I think that's one bug down. It's actually a lot of bugs down. Right, this one here. Why are you not wanting to complete quest start? You should be already complete at that stage, so we'll breakpoint on you and see what's wrong with you. Little problems, but we're getting there.
So that guy was a dick.
So the space cutscene hides, but I'm pretty sure that hid anyway.
Ma'am, are you okay?
Wait,
I'll see you. Please, good. Yeah,
I don't
we just wait. You Bill.
gosh, come on.
Okay, she's finished, and now McDaddy should start now. She'll walk off, and our guys will keep talking. And now we can go. So what we'll do is we'll break point on that branch there. So, when we come in, how many states have we got? Oh, come on, Unreal, stop being silly. There we go. Oh, why is it doing that? We got any way to, like, find what is there? No. Look, it just keeps disappearing every time I hover over it. I just want to see the reach states. That's what I want to do. Okay, it's going to be silly. We can't do that. Wait, did it complete it? It did. Okay. So I was right about this though. Even though it destroys it, it stays in memory to keep rerunning. So we definitely need to call the break. But now that we've done that, let's just go up and see if it marks it off on the screen, because it's still a main objective. It should show on the screen and say you have completed this.
Ma'am, I'll see you. Please, good. Yeah, we
Come.
There we go, right. What happens if we stand in our way? No, she's just going to try and push past us.
This is private.
Okay, that's just weird. Has it actually completed it? Go to location. Yeah, so it has completed it. It's just not marking it off on the quest as done. Okay. So it is completing it, and it's destroying itself. But it's not showing on the quest. Why? Let's go have a look at the quests. Because I don't think it's an optional one. No, it's not optional one. So we need to give it a quest name anyway. McDaddy Slim. Just enter a description for your quest here. We don't want any description. So that should make them look a bit nicer. Find McDaddy Slim and go talk to him. We'll just say how to talk to him actually. So we'll get rid of that. Just in case they are causing problems. Right. I need to fix this because it's not working right without the break. So what we'll do is we'll go for each with break. Breakups. Loop body there. Active element is there. The exec is there. Add custom event, break. And then the break will successfully go U2. That's why I lost narrative. I didn't paste it up there, look, I remember now. Then we will just call into the break to stop it, and you will call break. There we go. So now it comes in, it gets the player, it gets narrative, it gets the current quest, gets the states. Delete you off. It runs the for each loop over all the states. Pardon. Oh, I keep yawning. It's still very early. Then we get the current state and check it against ours. If it equals the same, it calls the break function, which comes up here, completes it off in narrative, and then destroys the actor and calls the break function, meaning the for loop only runs once. Let's try this again.
Wow. Ma'am, I'll see you. Please, good. Yeah, we just wait you
Oh, she come on, we'll give you a lift to work.
Find out why she screamed. Ah, there we go, that's looking better. Talk to him, go to McDaddy Slim. I want to reverse them around again. Okay, it's still not marking that off as complete. So, go to McDaddy Slim. Talk to him. So quest start, that should be the active one, but let's go have a look. Because it is destroying it, so it must be thinking it's complete. But why is it not telling me it's actually done it? Because if it is... I'm wondering if play dialogue node doesn't show. Because think about it, I don't think it shows. Wow. Hey, RNMC, how you doing today? Yeah, I don't think play dialogue node shows. I think that's only used to continue the progress.
Please, good. Yeah, we just wait you Bill on.
Oh, she come on, we'll...
Ma'am.
Go to McDaddy Slim, talk to him. That's fine the way it is. Just come here to see your epic game. Thank you. So this is going to come in here. True. So it hits the break. It completes the location element with Daddy Slim found. It destroys the actor. It calls the break. You don't want it to continue doing that. But it still should be completing that off.
You know, one project.
Right. It's not marking that off as complete for some reason. You can't get to McDaddy Slim. So how do I show an objective saying speak to such and such? How did I do it before? Case 1. What have I done here? Talk to the husband and see what he has to say. I really need these multiple tasks in, I think. But... So you come in, I want you to try and talk, go to the location. You can't because the bodyguard's there. Then I need to say talk to the bodyguard, which needs to let you do that one. So what I'll do after that then is if I just complete the step like that as a test, there'll be more to it. There's got to be, but as a test, maybe.
Ma'am, I'll see you. Please, good. Yeah, we just wait.
Come.
Go and talk to me, Daddy Slim. Okay, so we hit that. Still nothing, but if we talk to her, still nothing. You ordered a drink, but I didn't. It only marks off the top one. So if it only marks off the top one, maybe it is working and it's not just updating the UI. So if we come here, go and find out who screamed, which will be Sparkles.
Ma'am, I'll see you. Please, good. Yeah, we
Come.
That's saying it's already complete. But how? How can it already be complete? Go to McDaddy Slim, talk to him. Ooh, this is tough. This is the start of my quest. Go to the screen. Go and find out who screamed. Screaming. We'll just change it to screaming because it'll look nicer on the quest log, even though we're not using the quest log permanently. So this seems to think it can complete it off, but this won't do it. So what I'll do then is let's try putting that there and seeing if we can just straight complete it. No, I'm stuck on this one. Because it's like it's not wanting to do it.
Ma'am, I'll see you. Please, good. Yeah, we just wait.
Come.
See, that's saying it's already done. You ordered a drink, but I didn't. Still there, look. You ordered a drink, that's there. That shouldn't be there. We'll come back to that when we can have the multiples. Let's see what happens now.
Wow. I'll see you. Please, good. Yeah, we come.
Go and talk to him. Okay, this one is... So there's a glitch if you put empty ones in there, because you don't know what to do with it. And it worked. Oh, yes. That's the best thing I've seen all day. So if you have random quests then, it don't know what to do and it glitches out. So can I... Yes, I can put them back in. What happens if I connect them up to persistent tasks now like that? Let's see what happens.
Wow.
Okay, it's not there. That's fine. Get up, Sparkles.
I'll see you. Please. Good. Yeah, we wait.
Go, go.
You ordered a drink. Look, it's still there even though I've not ordered a drink. It's like it's skipping over. Because like if I go and talk to the bartender...
What do you have?
Typical thing, you know.
None of them are grey, look. Let's unhide that so we can see the chicken wings as well. Let's see what happens.
Wow.
I need to look into a way of skipping missions soon because going through Sparkles every time is a bit annoying.
Go, go.
Order some chicken wings. You ordered a drink, but I haven't ordered a drink. This is why I used multiple quests last time. Right, delete you. You can't get to him. Delete you because you're annoying for now. Maybe the persistent tasks haven't been documented because they're not ready. That could be the reason.
Wow. Man,
Wait,
I'll see. Please. Good. Yeah, we wait.
go, go.
Man.
Go and talk to McDaddy Slim. Right, let's go and talk to him. I'm stuck. Can I help me win? There we go. Boom. There we go, it does show. Bodyguard's looking at it to speak to her.
IP
Oh.
only.
Try branch. Well. We did get somewhere. It led us to a crash. Oh, people at work from messaging me already, and I am ignoring until my 8 o'clock work time starts. That is the new route I've been doing it. They can message me at 8 and up till 4:30 minus my lunch. I feel like we've achieved some good things today, chat. We've got the AI moving, which is good. I don't know what we fixed. Oh yeah, we unticked teleport, didn't we, for her? Right, let's go see what's wrong with this then. McDaddy Slim. My guess is something here don't like... Ah, yeah, it doesn't know what to do, look. So at the moment we can succeed the quest, but that's not what we want to do. So let's have the quest step. There we go. You can't get to McDaddy Slim. Speak to Sparkles. Find Sparkles. Is it Sparkles? I forgot her name. Blueprints, narrative, dialogue, dripper. Nope, that's Hobo. I clicked Hobo as I was reading Sparkles for some reason. Sparkles Swallows. Reporting for duty. It does sound like an old British name. Sparkle Swallows, sir. Reporting for duty. Right. So if we get rid of that and go to McDaddy Slim, here we go. Find Sparkle. Find Sparkle. Find Sparkle. And we'll just find Sparkle. Okay, so you come in, go to McDaddy Slim. McDaddy Slim is blocked off. Speak to the bodyguard. Bodyguard is blocking access to McDaddy. Speak to her. Okay. You can't get to McDaddy Slim. Find Sparkle. Okay, how do we find Sparkle? Actually, Sparkle sounds weird. So, we're going to change it to Miss Swallows. Because it sounds remotely better, surprisingly. Then on the stripper, what we can do is we can come up and we can say, add a lane for Agent Sparkles. And she can say, oh, hey guys, did you speak to McDaddy? Maybe. But on here, we'll put a condition saying you can only be called if a quest has started or is in progress. And the quest is McDaddy Slim. There we go. Actually, I don't want Sparkles to talk first. I want Agent 2. No, Agent 9. Agent 9. Excuse me. Excuse us. Excuse me, Miss Swallows. Can we have a moment of your time? Can we have a moment of your time? And then the condition will be on here. This is where we're making the story up there. So, is in progress. Quest is McDaddy Slim. So we can go back up. Ooh, this ain't gonna work. We can't do the is in progress because as soon as she walks away, we'll be able to talk to her again, which is not what we need. So we need to say quest at state. So for the quest to McDaddy Slim, is it at the state of quest state 3, I think? We'll have to test this one. Excuse me, Miss Swallows, can we have a moment of your time? What I'll do is let's load the Excel file up with the dialogue in it, and what I'll do is I'll try to generate the dialogue today before I finish work or on my lunch or something. Then we can then we can have the latest dialogue is what I'm trying to get at. So grab you. Yes, I don't need to know. Right, what we'll do is we'll write the dialogue in Excel. Apologies for the light mode. I haven't figured out how to get LibreOffice to dark mode yet. So, excuse me, Miss Swallows, can we have a moment of your time? How have I spelled swallows wrong? That's no, that's fine. Swallows. Swallows? Really? For some reason I don't believe that. Swallows. No, it is actually swallows. I've just typed it wrong. Interesting. Can we have a moment of your time? Right. So who said that? It was the player who said that. Where's the player? Wait. Ah, damn, I'm pointing it wrong one. Put you down there, save you, put you up here. There we go. Excuse me, Swallows, can we have a moment of your time? That can be the player. And the player is Mass Effect Agent. Excuse me, Miss Swallows. Actually, because you need to make it work. Excuse me, Miss Swallows. Can we have a moment of your time? Right, because the AI doesn't understand questions and stuff, so you've got to be careful to rephrase it. Oh, hi again. Sure, what's up? That can be swallows. Hey, sure, what's up? We are trying to speak to McDaddy, but the bodyguard isn't budging. We were wondering if there is anything you could do. Wondering if there's anything you can do. Wondering if there's anything you could do. The bodyguard? Oh, Missy. Yeah, she's a real sweetheart. Maybe? Something like that. That's heard. She's a real sweetheart. Yes, that is the impression we got too. I guess it'll be quite entertaining if some people go up and say, if she just says private party, go away. Some people will be like, oh, okay, that's just a bit rude. But then some people will be told to F off. They'll be like, what? How's she a sweetheart? That's the impression we got too. Right, the bodyguard, oh, miss it. We were trying to speak to McDaddy, but the bodyguard isn't budging. And then the scary male guard, and then he can, yeah, that's the impression we got. Actually, no, the male guard over there. Oh yeah, because the agent 2's not going to be there. He'll just be wandering around. So, hi, sure, what's up? Excuse me, miss. Can I have a moment of your time? Oh, hi again. Well, sure, what's up? I am trying to speak to my daddy, but the bodyguard is bushing. I was just wondering if there is anything you could do. The bodyguard, oh yeah, she's a real sweet. Yes, that is the impression I got too. Come with me. Let's go and see Slim together. Come with me. Let's go and sort this out before my shift. Thank you, Miss Swallows. Thank you, Miss Swallows. Oh, please call me Sparkles. You gotta have some fun with it. I don't know if this dialogue is gonna stay permanent, but it'll be funny either way. Right, we need to fix the names. So we want. Is that everything I need? We have to go in a minute. I think that is everything we need for now, so excuse me, that one. Excuse me, Miss Swallows, I'm wondering if a moment of your time. Then we can say Sparkles, here we go. Then she can go, hi again, what's up? I'm trying to speak to Mr. McDaddy, Agent 9. But the bodyguard isn't budging. I was just wondering if there's something you could do. And then the bodyguard. Sparkle Swallows. We actually need to find a way for us to talk to her, because she's at the moment not talkable. Yes, that is the impression I got too. Mass Effect 9. Then come with me, let's go and sort it out before my shift. Because what we might be able to do is actually change her material so she's in a different costume. Oh, no. I was watching a tutorial on creating first-person shooters yesterday with guns and everything. I'm definitely going to be able to finally add a gun into my game now, I think. Please call me Sparkles. And then at this point, we can move her. Events. Dialog NPC move 2. We don't want to teleport, but we want Miss Sparkle Swallows, so let's go and grab her name again. And then we want it to move. Where do we want to move to? We want her to move to City Map Basic. We wanted to move here basically, but not right there. We just like there. And then what we can do is we can come in here, we can say Sparkle Swallows walk to that destination there. Perfect. So we can save the Excel sheet now. That means I can generate some more voices later. Then what I will do is here, where Sparkles goes to, I can drop a begin dialogue in and we'll see how it looks. Stripper, linked NPC, we can't link her, she didn't exist. And we can't paste Sparkles in there. Sparkle Swallows. Auto start? Yeah, we'll auto start it. Right, let's see what happens now. I don't know how it's going to react when we don't link to an NPC. But this is the last thing I'm going to do because I'm going to have to head off for work now. Well, not head off, I need to log off and log back on. Speak to Sparkles. I need to fix her in there. Go talk to McDaddy Slim. She'll walk off, which is fine. I think we will change her material, put her in a different outfit or something. A bodyguard is back next to McDaddy. Speak to her.
Come back when you make a name for yourself.
There we go. Speak to McBody, so that's not gone well. Wait, is that it? Excuse me, Miss Solis, can I have a moment of your time? Oh, hi, sure, what's up? I'm trying to speak to McDaddy, but the bodyguards aren't budging. Wondering if there's anything you could do. The bodyguard, oh, Missy, yes, she's a real sweetheart. Yeah, that's the impression I got too. Come with me, let's go and sort this out before my shift. Thank you, Miss Swallows. Oh, please call me Sparkles. So let's just pause that a minute. Where's the nightclub? So we've messed up here, but that's fine. That's because of her auto debug code is kicking in. Not auto debug code, auto positioning code. Let's see what she does. Yeah, perfect. So she goes exactly where she needs to. Fantastic. So, there is a few bugs. One, this auto positioning code is good, but it's not going to work indoors. So we need to find a way to make it not work indoors, or at least change indoors. This one here, bodyguard is blocking access to Misty. Speak to her. We'll just complete that task off temporarily there, like that. And then what we'll later, I'm not going to be streaming because I'll be babysitting, but what I'll do is I will add some walking animations to Sparkles. I will change her costume, and we will generally just be making it work better. I want these chaps here to basically just go, "You're right, Sparky," or something like that, and she goes, "Hi Greg, last night was fun," you know, some weird flirty thing like that. And then yeah, because just to add a little touch to the game, that's all I'm thinking. I do need to tune the music down though. That's one thing I want to do just quickly now because it's too loud. Change that to 5, there we go. Right, I am going to head off, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for spending this 2 hours past with me. It's been fun. We're definitely getting there with this. I think we speak to McDaddy and he sends his women away. We talk to him, go back and forth. He kind of hints that he knows something but won't tell us. And then we head off and say, well, he heads off. If I hear anything, I'll let you know. So we head off and then we don't hear anything, then maybe we go back to our hotel or something, you know, something just a bit like this, get an interior or something, and then we get a call from him. Yo, player, I heard you were looking for that green chick. She's been spotted by such and such or something, like the warehouse or the docks or something. So we can travel over somewhere, I don't know where yet. Over near the park maybe? So we can come here, and then maybe this is where we start our shootout, maybe? I don't know. Something like that. But yes, thanks for watching, ladies and gentlemen, and I will see you all next time.